In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project plan in Asana, 5 minutes. Start by opening your browser and heading to Asana's website. If you're new to Asana, take a moment to create a free account. If you already have one, simply log in. On the sign-in screen, enter the email address you use for work, click Continue, then type your password and log in. If you're ever unsure which email to use, pick the one your team collaborates with most so everything stays connected. Once you land on your Asana homepage, it's time to create your plan. Look for the option to start a new project. You can choose a template if you want a quick head start for common workflows like marketing campaigns or product launches. Templates come preloaded with sections and tasks to save you setup time. If you prefer full control, select Create a Blank Project. Give your project a clear, action-oriented name that everyone will recognize. Something like Q2 website redesign or onboarding improvements. Click Continue, then choose how you want to view the project. List view is great for structured task lists, board view is perfect for Kanban-style workflows, and you can always switch views later. When you're ready, click Create Project. Now, begin adding tasks. Think of each task as a single piece of work that moves your project forward. Open a task's details to flesh it out. Assign the task to the right teammate so ownership is clear, and add a due date to create urgency and keep momentum. If a task is complex, break it down with subtasks so your plan is easier to track and complete. Descriptions, attachments, and comments in the task details help centralize context and reduce back and forth elsewhere. When you want to see what's on your plate, go to My Tasks. This area consolidates everything assigned to you across projects, making it easier to prioritize your day without digging around. Take a minute to explore Asana's interface, try switching between list and board, and check out views like calendar or timeline if they're available in your plan. These perspectives make dependencies and deadlines much easier to visualize. Inside your project, open Customize. This is where you tailor the project to match your workflow. Add custom fields to track things like priority or status, create rules to automate repetitive actions, and set up forms to standardize how work requests come in. The more you align these options to how your team actually works, the smoother your project plan will run. That's it. Your Asana project plan is up and running.